Hi you guys, welcome to Sam's Beauty, where God's beauty and Sam's beauty are one of the same. And I'm so excited to bring you this video. It's going to be my first DIY home decor edition of Sam's Beauty. I can't wait to see how this look comes out. I hope you guys love it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe down below and click on the bell icon, alright? Get into the video. So I am going to fast forward the video and play some music, lighten the tone, and we'll come back at the end and show you how it looks from a frontal view. Now I have to actually give it like a side angle so we can just have a flow. Bear with me you guys. Okay, let's do this. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love how this came out. Love it. From the top to the bottom. Beautiful. I got most of this stuff from thrift stores. I always like to go in thrift stores and see whatever hidden treasures they have, and most of this is from there. I love this look. My faves is this art piece. I love antique looking things, and this definitely caught my eye. My second fave that I found at the thrift store is this. Love it. Beautiful. And of course this trinket box. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. This looks very expensive. It wasn't, trust me, but I love that feel. And this, of course, is another one. Looks like a royal goblet. You know, you drink wine out of. Luckily I don't drink, but if I did, this would be the goblet to use. Beautiful. So those are my top faves. You guys, if you love this video as much as I do, comment down below. And I also wanted to finish off my desk when I'm not doing my makeup for you guys to see the finished look. I will send you a picture, a video of all that I've done here from top to bottom, and I hope you guys love it. Until next time, thank you for joining me on Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.